So I would like to make it heading like that here, and assignment to variables like this way, and here we need to uh, just we already seen that, so now here we will see about the uh, assigning a value to a variable. So here this is mod on it, and let's move forward here. We can say let's create create an object called A and assign value number 10 like that. We created A and assign the 10 number value. Now if Python script treated as a string like that, as treated as a here the just mark down here Python treated a like a number because we assigned it number. So if we see like that here, the A plus A, so if we see here, so it's because it's through the exception because we just run this cell. So if I run the all cells, this exception will be removed because it will take this A as an interpreter at a backend. So here we got the answer, the 20. So this is the adding the object. So here we are adding the objects. So if we reassign the value, like reassign the value, then what happened? Like we assign A to 15, okay? And then we need to check here, check what happened. So A, so here you can run all cells. So here, if you see here A, the value, the change, now it's 15. So Python allows you to write over the assigned value. So I would like to add here the markdown and say Python facilitates us to override the value. So Python allows us to write over assigned variable night. So we can also use the variable themselves with doing the assignment, and we can say here a variable redefining A. Okay, A is equal to A plus A. And now here check A. So if we run all, if you see here the last value, it is reassigning it and it's make 30.